AMC today announced that it has reached lease agreements with Unibail Rodamco Westfield, URW, global developer and operator of flagship destinations, to acquire and open 2 high-profile locations, each located in a major market. In the San Diego market, AMC will reopen AMC 14 at Westfield UTC, located in La Jolla, this Thursday, February 10. In the Washington, D.C. market, AMC will reopen AMC Montgomery 16 at Westfield Montgomery, with an expected opening date in March. Both properties are former ArcLight locations. Upon reopening, guests at both locations can expect many of AMC's most popular amenities, including AMC Stubs, a world-class loyalty and subscription service that includes AMC Stubs List. Adam Aron, chairman and CEO of AMC, commented, "AMC continues to play offense and aggressively seek out opportunities to strengthen their company through strategic acquisitions. We look forward to bringing the AMC experience to even more guests in and around San Diego and Washington, D.C., at these previously high-traffic, well-known theaters."